Full pitch delivery into the block hole. Nicely driven, some football skills, keeping the ball away from the fielder. Meanwhile, a lovely effort to stop the ball. All the fielders. What a hit from Sachin Kurpaskar, and that will definitely take the ball out of the park. Maximum, and even the maximum support is going on for Sachin. From the hill in front of his eyes, we can see people dancing in anticipation and congratulating those biggies that are hit by Sachin. What a big guy kept. Drives the ball along the carpet towards the long off. Lovely fielding from Vaishnav Pednekar, but he has crossed the ropes as he was catching the ball. Even umpire is asking for the player. And that's the boundary. Vaishnav immediately has told that it's a boundary, as while gathering the ball he has crossed the rope. This is a good gesture from the players. Again, Nana strikes away from Vaishnav. Ball travels towards the covers. And that's a consecutive boundary from the bat of Sachin Kurpaskar. What a lovely strike along the carpet towards the covers area. One was towards the long off. And now changing the angle and just swing off his hands with the help of his wrist. Takes at the sweetest part of his bat and ball races like a bullet towards the mid wicket. With this boundary, score moves to 130. Niklav delivering a short pitch delivery, not working for him. Now bowls a fuller delivery. Square leg. Fielder in act. Gathers the ball right in front of the boundary rope.
He can clear any field. We have seen his capabilities in terms of power, and this time he finds a gap on the offside. A shot of good length, rocking onto the back foot and play a wonderful shot on the other. This guy is a dangerous man. This is exactly his hitting abilities, although he has not timed it well, getting inside half of the bat. But Bhaiya is very quick. He's not only a tennis ball or cricket ball player, he's also a baseball player, and his fitness levels is very, very high. So you can see his ability in terms of running between the wickets. These guys can take this score close to 200 if they stay somewhere around 90th or 20th over. Oh, what a lovely pickup shot on the leg side, just over the fence for 6 runs. 50 up here for Nana. And what a way to get your 50. It was short, and that I was mentioning about wide gap over the square leg region, and he found it to perfection. Lovely pickup shot on the leg side. Firing in, and that is where Somesh proved to be. Oh, this is a very well timed shot, and timed it way too well. Outside. This time up and over the covers region. Is he getting a boundary? Nana. Oh, mammoth total in a T20 contest. Oh, this is huge. This is mammoth 6. This is the biggest 6 of this edition of Sangam Cricketers Tournament. I guess no one has hit that long. My goodness gracious me, this is almost gone 90 to 100 meters back. This is the power of Nana. He has been the tired. Last ball. This is in the air. It's going for 6 runs. And 6 runs. Wonderful batting here. Back-to-back sixes to finish the innings here for Nana and also Siddheshwar. What a lovely hitting display here from the bat of Nana. Wow. We have yesterday seen a wonderful and stunning and elegant grace knock from Vikas Desai. But this was something different. This was more a sort of power hitting. And the abilities like Hardik Pandya does it for the Indian team. Nana comes and hits it across all parts of the ground. And the ball was just flying across.
ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलो।